Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create custom mockup on Canva. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you want to create custom mockup on Canva, it's very simple. You can watch this video. So from Canva, you can use it on your mobile apps or on the desktop. Here's I'm using the Canva desktop. So from here, you can go to apps. So Canva have feature has apps to create mockups. So from this app, you can go to mockup on the recommended. There's an option mockups. You can select on that. And in here, you can create inspirational product mockup for your project in seconds. You can choose you want to create mockup for desktop, laptop, tablets, watch, or TV screens, e-readers, or phone. This you can choose. Maybe for the example, I will create mockup for watch, or maybe book. You can search for book like this. Now you can choose on the designs that you want to use as your mockup. For the example, you want to use this one. We'll use this one. You can also see a similar template. But I will just select this one. Now you can just choose on your design that you want to put into your mockups. This one for example. Click on next, and you can adjust the image if it doesn't fit. You can save it, and here's the result. You can save mockups, so it will turns out like this. It's very cool, right? It's very simple. You can just download it. So you can also uh, create mockups custom, maybe for like your watch, your another product. So that is how to create custom mockups on Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.